Hi, this is George Stambolise. I'm co-owner, operator of George's Pizza, and we've been here for this is going on our 34th year now. Predominantly, we make pizzas, but one of the things that we do that has a good following amongst a certain number of people is our grinders. Well, so the first question that I'm frequently asked is, what is a grinder? When they come in to, look at the menu, they want to know what a grinder is. And so the first difference, and the first way I can explain it to people, is that you have a different roll. You have a larger, crispy edge roll. Well, when it's toasted, the middle gets soft. And that is an Italian roll, which we use for our cold sandwiches. So what I'll make is what we call an Italian grinder, which is ham and salami, provolone cheese on the roll. So we put ham on the bottom side. So then what we do is we're going to place this in the oven with the meat and the cheese on it and get it to a point where it's crispy on the outside and the inside still has a soft middle. Then what we do is we put tomatoes, put onions, lettuce, and this would be the same whether you got a ham, tuna, Genoa salami, any of those kind of grinders would be made this way. And then green peppers. Then we put pickles, salt, a bit of oil. That's what we have when we're done.